Watching telly, Rain? Watching a telly? Look at the size of this colossal dog bed right in the middle of this tiny little room. Tiny little room. Humongous dog bed. She's too big. You're too big. Oh, you got your ball. Rain's going to be doing her songs tomorrow. Are you going to sing your songs tomorrow? You got songs, you got requests, you've got to fulfill. Look. I was trying to put that cover on that duvet, whatever you call it, or comforter. In this country it's a duvet, but comforter. And then Holly decided to make herself comfortable. So now I have to wait. I can't do that at the moment because Holly's comfortable. Holly! Holly! You have some ow, my leg. Oh, my leg. You have some songs to sing. I'm going to wait till tomorrow though, because the last thing I want to do is get her singing now. If I get her singing now, I won't get any peace for the rest of the day. You're allowed even when there is something in your gob. You got your gob stopper. You want to show it? You can catch a ball. Watch this. Let me see here if I can. One. Ready? Oh. 1, 2, 3. Catch it. Well done. Good catch. How can she even be noisy when she's got a gobstopper in her mouth? How is it possible? Right, get your rest because you got some singing to do for tomorrow. You got to do singing tomorrow. You'll be singing songs. Singing songs. Good girl, Rainy.